right. I'm concerned that Dawn does not have any friends at school. I'm not sure that this co-teaching thing is actually helping her.
Okay. Well, thank you for coming in to meet with me, and we'll definitely address those concerns. Are you seeing any different changes with her behavior at home and how things are going with schoolwork being brought home?
Well, Dawn likes to be with people, and usually people like her, but these days she's just not happy.
Okay. Well, that's definitely an important thing that we need to figure out, and I'm sorry that you're seeing those emotions in her.
Yeah.
Well, let me think. I'm sorry. Would you mind if I get out a piece of paper and write some notes down?
Go ahead.
All right, thank you. And you said that she's just not happy with the co-teaching situation that is in her classes right now?
Yeah, I'm not sure if the co-teaching thing is actually helping her.
Okay. So I have some ideas. I only co-teach 2 of her classes, which relate to language arts and reading and math.
Mm-hmm.
So I'd like to go observe her in her other co-teaching settings,
Okay.
if you wouldn't mind. Just to see how they're interacting with her and making sure that she's getting the right supports that she needs, because if she's not, then we need to look back at her IEP and make sure that things are being addressed properly.
Okay.
Do you have any additional concerns other than what we've talked about?
Not really.
Okay. I did go ahead and take a look at her scores before this meeting, and I did see that reading and math are still a little bit low. However, I would like to try and implement some additional strategies that will help facilitate better progress.
Okay.
If you're comfortable with that.
Yeah, if you think it'll make a difference, we can give it a try.
Okay, so I think that between the observations and maybe trying some different strategies, we can see what Dawn would prefer best after that. So,
Okay.
Again, we'll figure this out the best that we can, and I'd like to see her in her other classes. Does she have a favorite teacher?
Not that I know of.
Okay. Well, her interactions with people, like you said, I've observed are usually very good. So we'll definitely want to make sure that her social component is still maintained, that she's receiving the appropriate education as well. So through those observations, I think that will be beneficial. I think that it would give me about a week to do those observations, kind of talk with her other teachers, see if they notice what we've talked about as well.
Mm-hmm.
Would you mind setting up another meeting, say next Friday?
Sure.
Okay. What time works best for you?
1:30.
Okay. And before I kind of go over what we've talked about, is there anybody else in your family that you would like me to reach out to and send these notes to so that they're involved as well?
Nope.
Okay. Just wanting to reiterate what we've talked about. You're seeing some concerns in her general education setting, that co-teaching may not be what's working best. You don't see her being as happy as she normally is. And we've decided that I will go and observe her in other classes, and that we'll do some work with implementing some strategies to help with the math and reading. And then we'll meet next Friday at 1:30.
Perfect. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much.